wrapping soup.
What?
Dumplings.
Dumplings. Cookies.
Cookies. Popcorn. Popcorn.
Pizza.
Kathy, please see who is talking. Stand up. Cross the cookie. Stand up. Okay, you're the leader. Okay, say cookies.
Cookie.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza. Cotton.
Cotton candy.
Very good.
Soda.
Soda.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Popcorn. Popcorn. Dumplings.
Wrapping soup. Cookies.
Good. What do you like to eat? Say I like. Okay, go. I like.
Wrapping soup.
You like wrapping soup? Yes. Say yes.
Yes.
Say I like wrapping soup.
I like wrapping soup.
Very good, Spencer. Okay, sit down. Thank you.